This newly completed paver patio, installed by All Pro Construction and Restoration in spring 2025, showcases a well-designed and functional outdoor living space. The patio features a beautiful, multi-toned grey paver surface laid in an attractive, interlocking pattern, providing a durable and aesthetically pleasing foundation. A key element of the design is the matching stone retaining wall, which gracefully curves around a portion of the patio, adding visual interest and potentially defining the space or accommodating a slight grade change. The wall also incorporates integrated stone pillars, enhancing the structural look and offering potential spots for lighting or decorative elements. All Pro Construction and Restoration, serving Sussex County, Delaware.